Hi friends, this is Millian. Now is October 9th. After 8 days holiday, National Day holiday, I will take you have a look at our workshop. Here is our painting department. We will start to working today. Then we can have a look at our other orders from our customers. We make a lot type of machines. High pressure foam machine, CPU granule making machine. This is a special made for our customers. ABC components, but it still needs the storage tank to keep the continuous pouring. And here is the for the head moving. And this one is 3 components CPU machine. Now it's in the installation process. Here is our assembly department. All of our workers and engineers will try our best to working for our customers. So if you have any requirement about machines, contact with us. Thank you.